Congratulations, Rama family, on your brand new 2026 Mitsubishi Xpander GLS AT. Thank you and safe driving.
Hi! Thank you for watching this video. Kung na-inspire ka at gusto mo magkaroon ng sariling sasakyan at naghanap ka ng reliable and trusted agent, so please check this out.